Do you want to become better at dance and teaching? You're in the right place! What up party people, I'm Alex and welcome to More Than a Dance Tutorial, a weekly series about dance, music and culture. Today we are taking a look at Party Machine. Crisscross and Party Machine, it's almost the same thing, but you will find out in a second. This is a party dance from the hip hop culture and it was very popular in the 90s. Also, if you want to find a little bit of history of this step, check my video about old and new moves and styles. Now let's see some dancers doing the Party Machine. Now we're gonna start the Party Machine. We're gonna have two positions. Position one, it's the same cross, but this time your leg is up. Okay, so we go like this. And the second position, you open, but this time you open with your leg in the air. So it will be something like this. And one. And one. And one. 5, 6, 7, go. And one. And then you switch like this. And 2. 5, 6, 7, slow. And 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, go. Cross, open, cross, open. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1 and 2. 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 4 times. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6. Ha 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 ha. Okay. Music. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Okay, another way is when you cross like this and you have your leg like this and then open. Cross, open, cross, open. To count. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1 and 2. 5, 6. Okay, for count. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, one more time, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 to the music. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. This is not the easiest step that I know, but with a little bit of practice, you will get the opportunity to fully enjoy it. I think the hardest part with this step is that you're getting tired very fast. But please let me know what is the hardest part for you. Let me know in the comment section below. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoy it. If you want to support my channel, press that like button, press the subscribe, and of course press the notification bell if you want to get notified every time I post something new. Peace and love.